Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? What happened there? Weird. Okay. How's everybody doing, man? Let me just get the chat up on the screen and then we can start talking technical analysis and what we could potentially be getting throughout this next 2 hours together. Where's the chat on the screen? Browser. Okay. Cool. I'm just gonna chat on and then we can start, alright? Okay, cool. How's everybody doing, man? I haven't looked at the chat yet. Have a look now. Yo, what's up? Not to be rude, Cam, but I'm still waiting for the account I won. And Timothy from support said he still needs to verify with the affiliate. Since that is you, would you please let him know I'm legit? Firstly, you're not being rude by asking. Secondly, Timothy, he's probably talking about the head of affiliate. I'm not a head of affiliate, man. I'm just one of the affiliates. I'm not the head of the affiliate. But what I will do is I will message one of the guys for you, right? I'll message one of the guys for you, yeah? After the stream. Good morning, Sammy. What's up? Crypto. Yeah. Listen, whatever happens, guys, on the like when it comes to the giveaways and stuff, I'm unfortunately not the guy to talk to about that. Yeah, I'm not the one that's in control of giving the accounts away. But the last giveaway, a lot of people, and I mentioned this in yesterday's stream, a lot of people abused the giveaway. They abused the giveaway, and I had like about 20 people be messaging FunderPro saying that they won when it wasn't. Obviously, it was all a lie, which caused a bit of an issue, you know. But anyways, we're going to do a breakdown shortly. Let's just get some more people rolling in and then we will start. But yeah, very tricky price action. We are just stuck in a range right now. So let's just see if we can get the breakout. But I'm gonna do the breakdown for you guys for that. Okay. 25 people. Alright. So I made a purchase, guys. I got a 150k account, the new Zero accounts. I got it for stream. Alright. So the goal, I mean, I am on the challenge phase right now, so I do need to pass it, obviously. So I'll hopefully do that live with you guys over the next couple days. And then, yeah, we'll get some payouts on there as well. So yeah, I got the 150k account. I did speak yesterday on the stream that these new beginner zero accounts are very, very nice. Very simple, straight to payout rules. So much easier than the previous accounts. So I was like, you know what, let me get one account and let's trade it from challenge into payout, and show you guys how easy this actually is if you manage your risk and you have a good strategy. Okay, if I can do this live in front of you guys, just like I made $30,000 live in front of you, you can do it as well. Okay, there's no need for you guys to still be struggling and over risking and just revenge trading when I'm here trading live with you every day. Just learn from what I do. Learn from what I do, man. I'm here to guide some of you. I know a lot of you guys, I got some messages the other day. A lot of you guys have been receiving payouts using the strategy that I was trading for the last 2 months, which is so nice. So yeah, let's just see that keep rolling. But yeah, let's do a little bit of a breakdown. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we spoke yesterday. And I said yesterday on the stream, I said, guys, we're going to probably range. Okay. Now, I said that there's this theory called TRT, which is trend, range, trend. I spoke about this yesterday, and that's exactly what has happened. I called this range. I just knew it was going to come after a massive sell-off like that. We are bound to range before the next trend. Okay. So we can see we had this big sell-off. And this is why I didn't take any trade yesterday, because of this range. We started the range, and since yesterday's stream, we have not stopped chopping up. We've just been ranging. We can potentially break out of this range now into the stream. So I was patient enough. I didn't touch this range at all. I sat through this whole range. I didn't take any trades because I understand that after range, it's going to trend again. I rather want to be on the side of the trend, right? Because I know I'll most likely win. So looking at this now, this is the hourly. Okay, well, let's quickly go back to that daily time frame. That daily time frame, look at yesterday's candle. Okay, yesterday's candle was a big fat red dildo of a candle. Huge big fat fucking red candle, and we closed below that EMA. If you look at today's candle, we are very small. Like, look how small we are. We're ranging right now. Okay, honestly, I'm a bit skeptical. I need to just wait. We're either going to have more downside momentum, or we're going to come back up into that daily EMA. I'm not sure just yet. But something I do understand right now, going on to the low time frames, we are in a range on the daily right now. Previous day was very bearish. So I'm open to both ways. I'm open to maybe to buying longs for some sort of pullback, or to continue short, okay, as we are below that EMA. On the hourly, this is where we saw that range. We can see clearly we're in a big fat range. I am going to mark off level quickly. I want to mark off this level over there. We can see prices come up into this 29,850 area a few times. We come up into it, spike through it, close back below, come into it, come. So sorry guys. So yeah, this is a very good area that we can see prices just respecting. It's a really good key level of mine. I know there's a good seller over there. Okay, if we can break and close above it, I most likely will take buys. Okay, and maybe target, have a first target sitting at these highs over here, at these, you know what I mean, sitting at the 30,000 area as a first target. Okay. But if we hold that and we start getting back under this hourly EMA, short. Maybe I'll continue the shorts for the trend to keep going lower, right? As that daily is bearish still. 15. Choppy, man. Choppy. Yo, this 850 area is really respecting. It's like price is really struggling to get above this 850 area as well. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the 15 for now. Let's or stay on the 30. It's a tricky one, guys. I need high time frame confirmations for trading today because of this range. Yeah, I need maybe a 30-minute closure back below EMA would be good. Maybe that would be a good play. But yeah, I need higher time frame confirmations for this. Yeah, it is a little bit risky. Chop, chop, chop. But yeah. Who's here in the chat, man? Run giveaway. Firstly, don't come here and fucking call me dude. I'm not your dude, number one. And absolutely not after that fucking the way you ask me, bro. You're crazy. Run a giveaway, dude. The hell is this guy's problem? Maybe a please would have been a bit better. Red Fox, good day, man. 1 minute looks like it's gonna hit VWAP. I don't know. I don't care. I don't trade VWAP. And 1 minute time frame, bro. If you're gonna trade a 1 minute time frame in a range, bro, you are brave. Not saying it's bad, but you're brave. Sammy, this is 150k beginner. Yeah, it's just it's very easy to get payout, man, from it. The rules, I mean, for the price, because I use my own code. I won't lie. I bought the account for like $200. There's no activation fee. I can request $3,000 per week. Nah, it's a steal, man. It's a steal. You guys would be crazy not to be getting these accounts, these beginner accounts. Yo, good morning, Dan. What's up, brother? Devet, good morning. Good morning. And obviously, if we take shorts, we can target, obviously, the lows, right? But the thing is, like I said, man, your price action is absolutely dog shit right now. We are not looking great. So yeah, I want to see a 30-minute close below that EMA in order for me to take a short. If I'm gonna, because that I've got two confirmations. Confirmation one is that the daily time frame, guys, we're currently sitting under EMA and we're running bearish. Yesterday was a very, very, very big bearish day. So maybe a continue lower out of this range would be ideal. We are struggling to get back above these 850s. If we can break above the 850s, then yeah, I'll maybe look to scalp buys. But other than that, man, if we hold these 850s and we close below this EMA on the 30-minute, I might look to definitely short, okay? Into a, I don't know, let's see, take a range trade. Very curious to see how you will do it. Sure with the style. Yeah, let's see, man. I'm gonna pass this account for you guys. Don't worry. You know I will. You know I will pass it and then get funded and then run it up to payout. All live in front of you guys. Let's see if I can do it in 2 weeks. I don't know, but let's see. In order for me to do that in 2 weeks, I would need to pass the account this week. Pass it by Friday. Trade it Monday to Friday. Get my 5 winning days. But I'm not going to put the pressure because that's obviously not good for trading. But yeah, let's see. I do need to use some size though. Like, a lot of you guys know I don't like challenges. I hate challenges. They're a waste of time. I think personally, we all want the funded account so we can actually trade for the money, because we're trading for nothing, you know, on the challenges, and it's quite frustrating when you take a really fucking good trade and you can't withdraw the profit. So I like to like fast forward through the challenges. Yeah, I put size on. I like to pass them usually in 3 days maximum 3 days, pushing it to 4. I don't like to take it longer, man. It's yeah, I don't like to take it longer. That's just because I've done so many of them in my life. With other props though, I do farm accounts, I won't lie. I do farm them, and what that means is I like to buy 50k accounts, and what I do, and you guys can do it with Thunder Pro, it's actually a really good idea, and call me no. If you guys want to take full advantage of prop firms, and you have the capital to afford this, I buy 5 accounts usually, I copy trade them, and I try pass them in 2 days. And if I don't, I redo it again. So I usually, on average, me personally, I will pass in like it'll take me one set or 2 sets of accounts until I get funded, right? So I initially spend about $1,000 on accounts, and then once I'm on the funded accounts, I then trade those more conservatively, okay? Because I understand that I'm putting $1,000 in, right, to invest into these accounts, but my return for my first payout is going to be like a 10k payout. So the ROI is like mad, but obviously you need capital to play like that. But that just comes with time, I guess. I mean, I know a lot of these really big experienced traders do this. I know they do this. And one of them told me that idea. I was like, damn, this is such a clever way like to make big money. But obviously, it's not a great idea. Guys, I just had a payout right now. I'm not even joking. Check this shit, guys. Look at this. Look at this. As we're talking about payout. And for the guys that yeah, think that I'm not profitable, you mad. Check this. A lot of you know my 30k account that I traded yesterday. I requested a $5,000 payout out of there, and we can see I just got the email now. I just got the email now. There we go. Holy shit. Crazy. $4,000. Bang a wang. $4,000 payout, man. Crazy. W Thunder Pro. And you guys want to know like why I trade Thunder Pro? They always pay, man. They always pay. So you can imagine getting 5 accounts. How much money you can make out of that. If you invest $1,000 into 5 accounts, and you can take $3,000 per account, that's a $15,000 payout per week. That's wild money. Crazy money. Anyways, let's get back to the chart. So, this range is mad. This range is crazy. Just look how fast this is, man. Look how fast. My 5k payout was literally approved like 2 minutes ago, and it's already in my crypto. There it is. That's so fast, man. Fuck. This is why I am always going to be trading with Thunder Pro. No excuses, man. There's no excuses. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I love you all so much for being here. I love you all so much for being here, man. And what is that? I've got so many notifications coming through. I love you all so much for being here, honestly. And I really hope what I do on stream helps a lot of you to do the same, or will be doing the same. Who's coming to Ibiza with me? That's the real question. Who is coming to Ibiza with me? Who it is? Who it is? You all can come. Anyone's welcome. Anybody is welcome to join me. Anyone is welcome to join me. Why you pay out in crypto? I pay out in crypto, bro, because a few reasons. It's instant with Funder Pro. Firstly, the minute they process it, it hits the bank in like 2 minutes. Secondly, because I don't want money to be coming straight into my bank account. Yeah, I don't want money coming straight into my bank account, man. I keep it in crypto. I've got a crypto card as well that I can use now and then, but sorry, I had to take a picture of something. But yeah, that's why. Can you explain your plan with the 150k account? How many contracts do you use and what are you risking from what? So my plan with this account, like, I have it is 4,000. I've got $4,500 in drawdown. Okay, let me just check quickly. Let me just check quickly if there's a daily. I don't know. I don't think. Fuck, I didn't even really look at that. I want to tell you exactly my plan. So if you guys want to, some advice on a plan, you can. So I got the 150k zero account. All right. There's no drawdown. There's no daily drawdown on the challenge, which is nice. So yeah, I've got $4,500 in maximum drawdown. With a 40% consistency, I need to make 9,000. So my plan would be, I would risk like $1,000 per trade, right? I would catch like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, but most likely a 1 to 3, because I want to make 3k a trade, which means that if I'm risking 1,000, I make 3k a trade. I can pass in 3 trades if all those trades go in my favor. I usually do put a little bit more risk on. Maybe even $1,500 risk I will do. But the thing is, if you have $1,000 risk, you need to lose 4 or 5 trades. You need to lose about 5 trades in order to blow that account. Which, if you lose 5 trades back to back, nah, I won't lose 5 trades back to back. If I lose one, my next one that I win will be, it'll put my account up in profit, because of the risk to reward. Our risk management. If I lose 2 trades, $1,000 trades, if I'm down 2k, my 3rd trade I take and I win that, I will be back up over in profit on my account. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Okay, let's see, man, what's happening here now on the chart. 15 minutes, getting back under that EMA. The new hourly opened up as well. So still struggling, man. We're still struggling to break that 850. Price is now selling off again from there. Like I said, the plan is I need to wait for price to... Ooh, that's a trigger. Might look to take a short though. It is risky because we are in a range, guys. Just please understand what I'm saying. We are ranging. So shorting this, we are shorting a range. So if you do take a trade that I take, please accept the risk, okay? Is this going to be an A+ setup for me? Most likely not. This is not an A+ setup for me. We're too much in a range. We are too much in a range. We are too much in a range for this to be an A+ setup, but doesn't mean I won't make money. So 30 minute, I need to, we need to, ooh, do we wait for that 30 or the 15? Yeah, let me stay on the 15 for now maybe and see. Took $500 at the, nice Red Fox, super nice, bro. Yo, a lot of people, I know a lot of people today struggled with the range, so well done if you did that. Thunder Pro has a 3.1 rating, bro. Listen, I'm so sorry, it's not a 5-star for you, bro. But at the end of the day, I just got paid. I just got paid $4,000 right now. While you sitting there looking at the rating of Thunder Pro and complaining, I just made $4,000 right now. Do you guys have no idea how much money I've requested out of my Thunder Pro futures accounts? You have no idea. If I had to show you my dashboard right now, I've probably requested in total. Do you know what? I feel like I need to show you guys. I feel like I need to show you guys quickly, just so you can see that Thunder Pro ain't a scam. Hold on. Let me pull out the guns quick. Payouts. Okay, let me pull out the guns quick, yeah? This is in the last 3 months. The last 3 months. Okay, you ready? Look at that. The last 3 months, I've requested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 payouts. Each out of those 7, I've received it in maximum 2 days, but mostly on the same day. And that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $30,000. 30K. There's it. I can't make that up, can I? So a 3.1 rating, yeah, you need to ask yourself why. It's probably the people that are just like blowing their accounts and they blame everything on the prop firm. Listen, that happens, man. I gave 1K back to the market. It's okay, man. Dan, it's alright, brother. It's part of it. You know it's part of trading. Some days we're going to give money back. Some days we won't. Some days we'll take money. It's just part of the game. The fact that you've walked away, great. Just walk away. Just walk away. The best thing you can do for yourself is just walk away. Alright? What system do I trade? It's my own style, man. I trade EMA. It's my own EMA strategy. Yeah. Games is in the cell. I'm not. Yeah, Dan, I gave back 600, but I'm not giving up. Nah, it's part of the game. Don't trade anymore. Just lost 2 days. Tomorrow, new day. Yeah. You're doing it right now, Dan. You're doing it right. You're going to see, like, if you had to keep trading today, we're in a range. Imagine, like, you know yourself from, like, the past after what we've spoken about. We have... what's the name? What am I saying? Like, you told me the thing you struggled with in the past was, you know, taking one loss and then absolutely going on tilt until you lose all your accounts and you can't trade tomorrow. You stopping yourself by trading now, you can trade again tomorrow. It's one small loss. It's not going to ruin your life. It's not going to change your situation. You still got your account to live another day. So yeah, I'm proud of you, man. You're doing really well, Dan. You're doing really, 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 really well. Bro, I'm not insulting anyone. I didn't insult anyone, firstly. I didn't insult anybody. I did not insult anybody. So don't come and accuse me for insulting. I didn't insult anybody. It's just that when people come on you and hate on Funder Pro, I'm going to... if I've insulted you by showing you facts of a $30,000 payout I've requested, I'm sorry that insulted you. It's not insulting you. It's just about getting the facts straight. Right? It's just about getting the facts straight. I don't know if you guys remember last year when the metals were extremely volatile. I don't know if any of you guys remember that. And it wasn't just Funder Pro. I know that there was a lot of prop firms that had restricted metals. People were hedging a lot, and the minute people were hedging, a lot of prop firms were banning traders and you know, not paying them out because due to the fact they were hedging. Hedging is actually, guys, it's cheating, right? When you're hedging. I'm not saying everybody did hedge, but I know that there were a lot of people hedging. So just don't hedge, man, and you will get paid. Just don't hedge and you'll get paid. For me telling viewers that you blew your account is not an insult. I don't know how that's an insult. That's really not an insult in any way. I'm sorry if you think that's an insult, man. That's not an insult to me saying the reason they didn't get paid is for them blowing their accounts. Yeah. Listen, okay, I'm gonna let you just sit there for a little bit, but nah, I know the truth behind it all. But Funder Pro is a good prop firm. I've been with them for what, almost 2 years now. They're a great prop firm. Great prop firm. I love them. That's why I'm here. I love them. They're my top two for sure. Out of all the props I trade, top two, 100%. Yeah. Big Teflon, you say now the bad reviews from people not getting paid out. I understand where he's coming from, and I have seen reviews like that. But like I said, if Funder Pro doesn't pay you out, it's because you've either breached one of their rules. Okay, when you sign a contract, guys, to get your funded account, a lot of you guys don't read the contract. You just sign your life away to that contract. You don't read the contract. You get so excited to trade your funded account, you sign the contract. But there are rules in that contract. For example, hedging, right, is one of the biggest things. You can't hedge, guys. You will not get paid out if you hedge. Okay. If you are using someone else's address to trade, you will not get paid out. Like, there are rules and they check everything. They're strict, man. It's their job. It's their business. They're protecting themselves. Okay. So yeah, if you breach the contract, you won't get paid. Simple. So keep your trading clean. Keep it simple. Follow the rules. Make sure you understand the contract before signing it, and you'll be good. I have always got paid personally. I've never not got paid from Funder Pro. I've never not got paid. I've always got paid. On the CFD side as well as futures. But anyways, if you guys don't want to trade Funder Pro, you don't have to. There's no pressure. You don't have to be on the stream. You can go to a different prop firm if you want. That's absolutely fine. Absolutely no worries. But yeah, don't come here and tell me that I'm insulting people, because I don't insult anybody at all. I've never insulted anyone on my stream. If you hedge, you're a donut. Okay, now you're insulting. Okay, this guy's insulting. He's calling people a donut now. You see, that's an insult. But yeah, if you hedge, man, go trade personal accounts to do that stuff. But yeah, it's hedging is crazy though, I think, personally. If I want to trade today, I do have 5 more evals to pass, but it's so nice weather outside, so probably I'll sit in the pool and drink some beers. Dan, that's the vibe, dude. Honestly, if you really do want to trade again, then yeah, trade some evals, man. Don't trade your fundeds. Just stay away. But honestly, your plan sounds a lot better than trading, bro. Sitting outside in the pool is the reason we trade. Listen, the fact what Daniel's doing now, going outside, spending the day outside after taking a loss, this is the reason we trade. Not every day we're gonna make money, and if you're expecting to make money every single day, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose, man. You're not gonna make money every single day trading. You just won't. You won't. I'm telling you, you will never. You'll never make money every single day. I don't make money every single day. I lose some days as well. I just need to accept it, walk away, go enjoy the rest of my day, come back again tomorrow. That's it. Anyways, do you see why, guys, I said we need to wait for that 15 closer back below? Because look how we have now got back above, man. This range is nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. This EMA is telling me a story, and it's telling me we are ranging. Yes, hedge isn't fair because your view is not clear. You just want to make money. It's a gamble. No, hedging is an absolute cheat. Okay, it's not a cheat, but like it's cheating the prop firm, because either way, if you hedge, you're gonna win. So the prop firm can pick that stuff up very quickly. If you want to hedge, then take 2 different prop firms. But if you're gonna hedge the same prop firm, then yeah, like you're going to be caught. You must understand, they have every prop firm has compliance teams. The compliance teams check everything, man. They have systems that can pick a hedge up. It can detect a hedge. Yeah. Anyways, I know none of you guys do that yet anyways, which is really cool. I'm glad none of you guys do that stuff. But, cheers, Dan. Enjoy the pool, man. It's very hot in Europe. Geez, guys, today's like almost 40 degrees. Guys, I don't know, man, if we're gonna get a trade, man. This range is nasty. I don't want to be I don't want to force a trade for you guys, and nah, just because it's a stream. Remember what I said yesterday. I'm not here to take shit trades, huh? If you see me take a trade, it's going to be a good trade. Like, I don't take shit trades just because I'm on stream. If I take a trade, there's going to be a reason for that trade. I'm doing a challenge in front of you guys to pass this account and then get to the funded, then receive payout. What do you consider as hedging? Hedging is when hedging is when, for example, right? Let's just say you have 2 accounts with Funder Pro Futures. Hedging is when you, on the one account, you're buying Nasdaq, and on the other account, you're selling Nasdaq. When you have 2 open positions going against each other on 2 different accounts in the same prop firm, that's hedging. Because one of those accounts are going to eventually win, right? No, yeah, don't worry. I'll never take a trade just for the show. I never do that. I've never done that one time. I mean, to say if you're using different trades with the same IP or same account. I don't understand what you mean. Ugh, now we're back down again. Look at this one. Up, down, choppy, choppy, chop. I'm going to be doing a giveaway this week, guys. I'm going to speak to the guys at FunderPro, ask them if I can do a giveaway of the new accounts. I'm sure some of you guys would love the new, some of the new future accounts. So I was thinking, you know what? Let's do a little giveaway this week, man. Let's do a little giveaway this week. We'll do it for sure. I wanted to check something. Are you going? Where you going? Okay. Take Bailey. Take Bailey. Oh, it's okay, take her with. But where? Okay, you're gonna wait 30 minutes? I'll be done in 30 minutes and then we can go together. Okay, then go. Damn, guys, honestly, New York session might be the only stream to take a trade, huh? I mean, sorry, not a stream. New York session might be the only session to take a trade. This thing is just gonna range. I personally, guys, I can't trade this, man. I can't trade this. Yo, Joe, what's up, my sexy guy? What's up, my sexy guy from Australia? Cam, did you ever stream before trading career started? No. Why? I'm trading micros, guys. Trading micros. I had to make a coffee. Did I miss anything? Yo, bro, you literally missed me bro, you missed the biggest trade of your life right now. We took a huge buy on Nasdaq right now. Huge. Made $1 million. Everyone in the chat made millions. So, yeah. But anyways, where's Joel? Joel, come back to the chat right now. Joel's my friend, guys. There's Joel. Joel, guys. So Joel is from Australia. He's a gold trader. Very, very good trader. Lovely, great guy. I was actually supposed to meet him in Bali. Unfortunately, I didn't go due to the war situation. I'm currently in the south of France right now, man. I'm in the south of France right now. And then I go to Barcelona the end of next month, and then Ibiza, and then back to South Africa for a little bit with my brother. Anyone in the chat, guys, I have a real question. Is there anybody in the chat that would like to trade gold? Because I need to speak to Joel. I'll be very happy to bring Joel on a stream to come trade gold with me. He's a very good gold trader, guys. Joel, much better than me, personally. He's the goldie, I'm the NQ. Maybe bringing Joel on in the future would be something that would be quite cool. If he's obviously, if Joel wants that. But you're coming to Ibiza, mate? Nah, dude, don't joke with me about that. You can't joke with me about that. If you say you're coming to Ibiza, you need to come to Ibiza. Yeah, I know for a fact there's a lot of guys in here that love a gold trader. Like, I know they are. I know they are. Maybe an 8. Oh, I need to speak to Joel. I can't say too much. So Joel, answer the question. Are you coming to Ibiza with CAMSORBET? Joel's channel. I don't know what Joel's channel. Joel, what's your channel, mate? I don't like your YouTube channel. You guys just click on his name and it should come up. Joel Karasu Trades. It will come up there. But MNQ, yeah, I mean, gold might be the fucking the thing. Let's go. I'm opening up gold right now. See, this is gold right now. Okay. I don't know why there's a drop, why there's a fucking line there. But here's gold. If I had to do a quick analyze of gold, I mean, before I don't want Joel to judge me, yeah, but let's do it. Fuck those gaps up, what the hell, man? It's weird. Bearish gold, man. I reckon gold can easily squeeze down to these lows. Gold can easily squeeze down to these lows, man. Easy. Come down into those lows for sure. Gold can reach that. Maybe a little goldy trade. Do you below the, wow, I won't lie, this could be a goldy trade for me off EMA. Check how we came up into EMA, we closed back below, we had a I don't want to take this just because I've rushed into this right now, you know, but nah, I won't take that. I won't take that. No, Ibiza gonna be, bro, Ibiza, fuck yeah, it is. I'm only going for like 5 days, so it won't be worth your time, though. I'll be honest, bro. Like flying all there from Australia, there will be, it won't be worth it. But definitely Bali. I did say to my fiance, we have to make Bali happen again. So we'll definitely make time for Bali again. Don't worry. But yeah. Yeah. That's cool. But yeah, man, guys, I honestly looking at I'm stuttering. What am I saying? Looking at MNQ, I don't think I will be taking a trade, man. Like, let me go back to MNQ quick. MNQ. Yeah, guys, there's no. If you guys are trying to trade this, you're crazy. Don't try to trade this. We need to wait for price to break out of this. We need price to break out of these 850s. Like, you know, maybe see a nice breakout above, or we want to see price start breaking back below. But other than that, there's going to be no trade from my side. Listen, I love you guys all so much. Thank you for being here. I'm going to be back live again tomorrow at the same time. So with that being said, peace and love. I love you all. Thank you for being here. Unfortunately, it's just a no trade there. We can't force trades, guys. We don't do that here. You know that. So, yeah, I got an appointment I need to run off to. So, yeah, I'll probably be back around the New York session and I'll have a look. So make sure you're in my community if you want to see what's happening there. So we're back live again tomorrow, guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. And we're streaming 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, every London session. So tomorrow, I see you all. Cheers.